Alright guys, welcome back to my tutorial. In this video we will continue. We're gonna be finishing up with the theater seating revenue with input validation. And in the last video I walked through building this program with you guys, and then we just perform an input validation from what the person enters. But before, let me just give you a brief of where we stop, and then let me run the program, and then you will see what happened. Actually, I need water right now. Okay, so please enter the number of tickets sold for session A. Let's say we enter 500, and then it says this is called input validation because we cannot exceed more than 500. That is what we are giving in our program to say that the theater seating has a 300 seat in session A. So if we entered the number of seat that number of ticket we sold for session A, then it cannot. If we enter 500, then it means it's exceeding what 300. In other words, we must perform an input validation on it, because that is what we were told, to perform an input validation on the number of each seat. So that is just what we did right now. And then if we just enter 250, that will be less, because we also give the person an opportunity. After saying that there is an input error, we allow the person to enter a number again so that we may be able to store it. And then we'll go to the next one, which is for session B. Enter the ticket sold for session B, and in session B we just we cannot exceed more than 300. So let's just say 400. That yeah, if in session B right here we're told that it cannot exceed, while session A is greater than 300, we must tell the person to enter. That is an incorrect input. So for session B, please enter the number of tickets sold for session B. We sold 400. It's supposed to show an input validation right here. Let me just close this. Right. Oh, this session B is supposed to have greater than, it's supposed to be not more than 500 for this to work. Yeah, it's supposed to, not to if for this to work, it's supposed to exceed this 500. So that is just it. In this program, I'm not going to go back to talking all about that, because I did it in my last video. So please check it out if you want to see it of how we do it. Right now we're going to be calculating the totals, and we declare these variables, but I think we should declare a variable for total A that will hold the A and all that. I think just the total is enough. Okay, yeah, the total. Today we are calculating the total in this video, and we are going to say, after everything has been said and done, we're going to just display the total. So we're gonna say total is equal to session C, which is day session A. I'm gonna copy that because I'm too lazy. I don't know, I'm always lazy in my videos when I'm typing. Alright, session A plus session B, which is days session B, plus session C again, plus session C, which is days. So I'm just gonna give myself some space, and then it's just gonna add everything right now and then put it on days, our variable which we declared right here. And then at the end of the day, we're going to display it to the user, telling the person that, okay, this is the amount that you have accumulated for the whole seat. So we're going to say see out the amount accumulated, not ted, yeah, is, and then we're just gonna display the total. Let's just put some dollar sign, I guess. I think that will be better. Let's just put, where's the dollar sign in my keyboard? I don't know. Okay, right. And then let's just say total, because we're displaying the total for the person. So end that line as well. And so let's just run it and see what we got. Whoa, Lord baby mama. So enter number of tickets sold for session A. We sold 60 out of 300 obviously, and then enter for session oh, I just type 600. Oh, so you see, this is how impute validation work, because you may end up entering a number that is more than what is in the database, and then program has to know how to validate those input. Right now, just I wanted to put 60 and I put 600 by mistake, and it validated it as this is an incorrect. You see how sweet it is. Oh man, you just built $1 million right now. So I'm gonna just put 60 again. I don't wanna bite my tongue. And then please enter for session B. Session B is out of 500, so I'm gonna put 400. Oh no, yeah, 400 I guess. And then for session C, we're just gonna, session C is 100, so I'm gonna put 800. It's gonna validate input. You see, it can be greater than that, so I just put 50, and then it display the amount of total sale we had. So we sold this one. The amount accumulated is 510. Obviously, if you add it 60 plus 400 plus 50, oh, that is 510, right? Is it? Let's just do it again. Let's see. Okay, we entered 600. Wow. Please enter a number of tickets, so and it says, oh, it can be greater than 300, so this is wrong. So 60 plus 400, that is 460 plus plus this plus 50, that is 510. Also, we just built a perfect program. Our program is working perfectly, and we just built a theater setting that will help a person that is working in the theater to know how many tickets they have sold for each. You can modify this, right? You can modify it if you are doing PHP, or if you are doing VB. For I'm also going to be offering those tutorials for GUI application, where we'll be dealing with Visual Basic, and then we'll be able to click a button, accessing database and all that. That will be cool. You just got to wait and check it out. It's coming very soon. All right, so we just built a total $1 million right now, and thank you for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe and leave a comment below if there is a problem, or if there is something you want me to clarify for you on this theater setting. And the question again, please read through it. Is very nice, and please make sure I will have given you an exercise, but I just want you to apply this and know how it works, because you may end up making a mistake just like I just made, and then it validates it. That is the good part of input validation. So thank you very much for watching my tutorial. See you in my next video.